Hi my beautettes, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna get started on this left eye, but first coffee. Yeah, so we're gonna start with this modern renaissance. Now this video I already had prepared, but I had to take care of a couple of things and had an emergency. So this video was actually part of my Vdayseries look. So you beautettes, I'm just hopping right into it so you can see how I created this really pretty, beautiful, subtle, little dramatic look. If you want to continue to stay watching, please do so. I love you beautettes. Any type of suggestions, comments, anything, please drop it down below and I definitely will get back to you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Love ya.
Tell me I'm crazy, picking up a boy that drives a Camry. I just wanna be your lady, roll one up and we can get hazy. Maybe I'm a race car driver, speedy bitch catch up, need a reminder. I get sassy like a tiger, one look at me, know what you're tired. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. Stay 2500, baby, tie your shoelace while I win this race, yeah. Many things on my plate, and you're too worried about reaching first base, yeah. I'm the next AJ Ferguson, girl, send me up, skin soft like porcelain. Yeah, my interior is great, but all I really want is I'm gonna get paid, yeah. All I want is money getting paid. Oh, money getting paid. Okay.
So you're telling me this is how the girls turn up? Then I'ma stick with the girls.
I'm a NASCAR bitch in a nice car bitch. Speed into this money, call me Big Rich. Kinda big rolls and a Rolls Royce. Leave you in the dustpan screaming loser voice.
You know I love you, I don't mean to drive you crazy. Let's keep it peachy, drive down Peachtree in the fast lane.
Where the police at? Where the police at? Where the police at? Where the police at?
We're keeping psycho just in type boy like the girls play.
Drive to the left, drive to the right. Turn around now, yo.
Okay.
Call the cops.
Like a tiger, one look at me, know what you're tired. Okay, alright, okay, alright, okay. Stay 2500, baby, tie your shoelace while I win this race, yeah. Many things on my plate, and you're too worried about reaching first base, yeah. I'm the next AJ Ferguson, girl, send me up, skin soft like porcelain. Yeah, my interior is great, but all I really want is I'm gonna get paid, yeah. All I want is money getting paid. Oh, money getting paid. Okay.
So you're telling me this is how the girls turn up? Then I'ma stick with the girls.
I'm a NASCAR bitch in a nice car bitch. Speed into this money, call me Big Rich. Kinda big rolls and a Rolls Royce. Leave you in the dustpan screaming loser voice.
You know I love you, I don't mean to drive you crazy. Let's keep it peachy, drive down Peachtree in the fast lane.
Where the police at? Where the police at? Where the police at? Where the police at?
We're keeping psycho just in type boy like the girls play.
the left, drive to the right. Turn around now, yo.
Okay.
Call the cops.
Skin soft like porcelain. Yeah, my interior is great, but all I really want is a money getting paid. All I really want is money getting paid. Oh, money getting paid.
So you're telling me this is how the girls turn up? Then I'ma stick with the girls.
I'm a NASCAR bitch in a nice car bitch. Speeding to this money, call me Big Rich. Kinda bankrolls and a Rolls Royce. Leave you in the dustpan screaming loser voice.
You know I love you, I don't mean to drive you crazy. Let's keep it peachy, drive down Peachtree in the fast lane. Where the police at? Where the police at? Where the police at? Where the police at? We're keeping psycho just in type boy like the girls play.
Drive to the left, drive to the right. Turn around now, yo.
Okay.
Call the cops.
Thank you, Butettes, for staying towards the end of this video. If you did, thank you. If not, it's whatever's. I just have this V-Day series going on, and this is going to be the last look of my V-Day series. I believe I did like 4 videos of different type of looks that you can do for your date, or if you want to stay home, or if you just want to look bad at home, like, you know, baddie, or if you're going out with your friends or your homegirls, you know, you can switch up your look like however you want. You can go from simple, you can go from glam. It's all on what you prefer. Me, I'm always in between simple and dramatic, because I love the whole wing liner, I love the whole lash, I love a good pop of crease, glitter. So I'm always an extra gal. I've always been that way even since high school. And yeah, even with nails, I've always, if anyone knows me, especially since high school, drop comments down below if you remember. You know, we were always you know, that's when the money nails was out. I had that, every type of style, airbrushes, everything. Now I see that the airbrushing is coming back, which is cute, but yeah, nonetheless. So I go through my like simple glam days, and then when I want to turn up days, basically. So my simple glam, I will mostly leave it for work, because, or not, I actually like don't even hardly wear makeup for work. If I do, I have to be very much in the moment. I mean, like, I can do some concealer just to dab on places that, you know, I don't want to look dead. but with a little bit of foundation and set it, and with gloss and I go, or probably with lashes and then mascara. But I don't really like, I have this channel, I love makeup, I am an MUA/beautician, but the funny thing is I hardly don't really wear makeup to work. I only actually leave the makeup for like going out, or you know, when I have projects or different series on my channel that I would like to get out and do because I'm inspired. I love art and I love being creative. So you know, I know a lot of people wonder like, wow, you know, like you're really into this whole thing, and it's all, you know, it's all in your passion. And really, what do you have your passions for? Like your strength, you know, you can find strength in your passions. Like it keeps you motivated, it keeps you going. And I feel like there's so much for me to learn, which is why I never really sit still, because I'm never really comfortable. I'm always, I mean, not in a bad way, but I'm always just, you know, checking and seeing what's better. What can I do to improve myself? What can I improve on anything? So, but enough of the peep talk, enough of the pep talk, enough of the peep talk. So if you beauties love this video, if you like my V-Day series, please comment down below. Let me know what you guys thought about the series. If there's anything other, you know, looks that you want me to do, I keep telling y'all can drop it down below. I will get back to you. I will answer, believe me. Yeah, so you can subscribe, like, and I cannot wait to come back, and also come back with a different type of series for beautettes, because you know, as my thoughts come to me, that's how I'm coming up with these ideas, because you know, we all get downloads, and it's all on, you know, how you take it. So I'm just wanting to be on this creative ball, so you'll hopefully be seeing more videos of me. And yeah, like I said, if you guys have, or beautettes have any ideas, or anything you think I should do, or you know, have on my channel, please don't hesitate. DM me, message me. I will leave my IG down below, so you can follow me also on my Instagram, because I'm very active there, and I'm active in my Snapchat. I'm also active on here. Well, I just got back on getting the groove. You know, I wanted to start this year right. This year, besides Corona and everything else going on, it has been overwhelmed. Like, and I think that I do a pretty good job at keeping myself balanced, because you know, you never know what somebody's going through. You never know anything really. So, and everyone always thinks because, you know, I'm this glam person or beautician that I don't have problems or I don't get stressed. No, I do. I just know when to turn things off and when to turn them on, you know. So that's just it for the channel. I'm gonna leave it here, and I hope you beautettes get to come and see my next videos and my next series, because I do have another series coming. So if you like what I'm doing on my channel as far as these series, like I said, give it a thumbs up. Like, if you want to share, you can. If you want to DM me and message me, you know, I'll be more than happy to help you. So I love you, beautettes, and I cannot wait to see you on my next one. Bye.